Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I've got Envy and Raven here with me today and we're going to get into my birthday present. So I'm a Born Pretty BA and for my birthday they gave me a $20 gift card. So I was like, okay. Now I have been wanting to try the Born Pretty stamping kit, just I guess the stamping range. So I bought the kit with my $20 and on Thursdays I believe is free shipping. So I got the kit, which I think was $14 and some change, and then I got this, a stamping gel. So the kit comes with, get your black, a white, and this is like a latex. Well, it's not like, it is latex, so you wouldn't tell. It says nail art color and all of that, but no, that's not what this is for. This is more for here. So if you're doing the stamping or pigments and you know that mess, yeah, that's what you use this for, and then you can just peel it off. This is basically the stamper. So it's a nice design. Now, these weren't in there. I put them in there. However, this is what it came with. Look at that bling. Look, I just need to show you. Oh my gosh, I'm throwing it everywhere. Let's pick it all up. And I said to my sisters, I can't put that in there. These are so pretty. I'd rather put these on nails. So that's what we did. So I'm going to save those. Might use it today, I don't know. And these, I actually found them in the cupboard. Now, years ago, like when we were doing the children's parties, when my kids and my sister's kids were a lot younger, and we'll do like the little party bags ourselves, we'd put these at the bottom, you know, to make them all fancy. So I had loads of them left over, so I put some in there and I thought that just looked nice. What I did have in there yesterday was even crazier, trust me. And this colour, by the way, white gold. So it was quite cheap. It was like, I think $4. $4 something. And your scraper. So you got everything really to start stamping. So I had to get these two nails because I wanted real estate. You know, at least that way I've got a big area and I can do a few stamps because I don't expect it to come out properly the first time. I mean, I have tried stamping before, but it really is one of them things that you got to have the right things, the right plates, the right stamping gels. So I had tried some before from Amazon, but let's just say that what it required I couldn't deliver, and that was like flash lightning speed. So I've bought these tips. There's just some tips I got from Amazon that I could just put into my Red Iguana finger, and I don't need anything at the bottom, and you can see it's quite sturdy. So this one, it has a brush. Now, do not quote me when it comes to stamping. I am still learning, believe me. When you see people that can stamp, when you see them do it, you're just like, whoa. Now, I don't even know if I've wiped away too much. So, just to be on the safe side. Because I swear you're supposed to scrape once, but then I see people do it and they're scraping more than once. So, just for good measure, let's just make sure that's in there. we'll only find out when we stamp. So that's what that looks like. I'm gonna put it there and pick up nothing. I picked up nothing. So you know what that means? It dried already. This stuff is the same thing. It air dries so quickly. So I was faffing about the first time, then the second. Sorry about that. Oh, I'm so sorry if that's squeaky for your ears. All right, we're gonna do this again, but this time we just have to just do it. If we get it, we get it. If we don't get it, we don't get it. Stamping isn't art. I saw when people are like, oh, you're doing stamping. I'm tempted. Oh my gosh, I was tempted. Let's see. Oh my gosh, still nothing. Okay, now this is why I said this was going to be trial and error. So I'm going to put some down there in black. Oh my gosh, Mama is making a mess. Okay, there we go. And there is our stamper and nothing. I've been curious to try the Born Pretty stamping plate. Oh my gosh, this looks so nice. Okay, so we got something. All right, I didn't even clean off that bit there. Let's just clean that off. Oh my gosh, it's disappearing. So what we'll do is I'm just gonna put it there on the side so it looks like a side flake. Okay, so do you see what I mean? I'm gonna try the black one on there and see if that makes a difference. So sometimes it feels like the plates have no ridge, like for the polish to go. Or maybe was it wet? I'm trying to figure all this ish out right now. Okay, let's try this one again. I'm going to swipe to the right very gently as to like just swipe to the right, stamper down, nothing there. Let's try this. So we got that there. I took a bit long there because I was wiping the stamp off. Oh my gosh. Okay, we got something. So let's put that there. Okay. This stuff dries so quick. I would say after everyone, please wipe your stamper, even though I'm not forgetting to wipe my jelly, but I'm wiping the stamp because if it gets too encrusted, then maybe it would require more effort, and that's how you're going to ruin your plate. Okay, let's have a look. Alright, we're going to try the gold right here. I did use just a little brush because the bottles came with the plate, but I wanted to try the tubes to see if there was any difference at all. This is white gold. Ooh, this is pretty. Okay, I'm making a mess. Let's just have a look at that design. Okay, we're gonna place her here. Ooh, okay. Now I didn't want to put the gold on this one, but the other colours are not being very kind. I only have 3 colours. Now I see Lisa Dana August Nails always use Born Pretty stamping stuff, but I think, and don't quote me, she might have different plates. Let's see, maybe we can get a gold snow globe. But this was just going to be a quick review, and I would definitely recommend it, because if you're a beginner with stamping like me and you just want to experiment, you kind of get everything. The only thing I wish you could get is a lint brush, because that's everything. But if you haven't got it, it's fine. I sometimes just use a little brush with some alcohol, like I'm trying to do there, and just clean, but it's not the same. I already have a smudge, so I'm going to do this one again. And I guess that's the whole part. So let's try and keep it a bit contained. Oh my gosh, the stamping trials. All right, let's do this again. Okay, it was, ooh, let's try the house. What's that one? I'm just doing it a bit more neater, so that when I wipe away, it's not going to, yeah, I wanna wipe down. And I'm gonna stick my stamper here, and I've got a globe and I've got stars, and I love it. Okay. And now when you put the stamp down, you, ooh, I love that. I love it, I love it. Okay. Okay. So make sure my gel stamper is back in. These things are quite fiddly. At the same time, I just want to squash it. Alright, let's not spoil all the fun. You know when it's going good and you're like, oh, I want to do more. Alright, I just want to get so, like, when I see people do stamping, that's the part of it that gets me. It's just like, it's one flow. You can't think about it too much. You have to have the nail ready. You need to have all your stuff ready, because it's like, as I said, wax on, wax off. All right, let's see if we can get a white one. We'll do a different cloak. I don't even know where I got this stamp from. Let me just say that. This plate, sorry. Right. Oh God. It's almost like you can't think about. Oh wow. That came out. That came out. We're still gonna stamp that ish. Let's stamp it there. Okay. The whole thing came out. Like, do you think I care, bruv? We are still gonna use you. So that little bit there, I can just use a bit of alcohol and just get rid of it before it dries on the nail. But this, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna invest. There's a stamping company I've seen a lot of the nail sisters use, so I'm gonna get some plates from them. I do like the Born Pretty stamping gels, and I think they both work similar from the tube as to the bottle. So let's see if we can get one of these Should we get a wreath? It's not a wreath, but you know what I mean. A Christmas wreath. See if we can pick this up. And then I'm gonna, like, I've even seen people draw. I mean, not draw, colour in. Oh, I've got a little face there as well. So let's see, maybe we can get, no. We'll just do the wreath. So I've got that little face there. Waist knot. See if we can put that face on this now. Yes. Oops. So this is the other one. I really want to do that one again. I think that's going to be the last one I'll try. And then I'll top coat them and take my victory. Yes. And not throw no shade to my stamping, and we got a house. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You know, you just feel like you want to put that all over the nail, but I won't. Oh shoot. Don't worry, this is just practice, guys. This is not a set, this is me practicing. I love that because it's quite big and I could still add colour if I wanted to. Okay, so yeah, I do love this. Honestly, guys, stamping is freaking cool. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video where you saw me practicing my stamping with this birthday present I bought myself with my $20 Born Pretty gift voucher for my birthday. That's the plate. These are the two nails. I have top coated them. And yeah, it was fun. I'm definitely going to keep trying. So we can get this stamping thing done. I like the gel in the tube as well as the polish. I'm going to figure it out. I'm definitely going to get some more plates, but we did lift some things off and stamped. So it might be a fail to some, but honestly, practice makes progress. That's what my friend Gina says. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep your bells on so you can catch me in another one. I am gonna definitely do a set. I don't know when, but I'm gonna be drawing my Dr. Print cards, and I know there is a stamping option, so I'll be ready. Anyway, guys, love you lots. Mama Does Nails is out. Catch me in the next one. Oh, before I go, don't forget, I've got a 10% discount code. It's Mama Does Nails 10. Priya's got one. It's Priya 10. And I've got another code for you. Yes, I do. But I can't share it with you yet, I'm afraid. I will as soon as she actually shares it with you all. Then I can do that. Love you all.